Welcome to CAD-CAM learning tutorial. In this tutorial, I will teach you in a exercise 3 how to draw this diagram in a Creo parametric using the line command and arc, and how to uh, take a dimension in a Creo parametric. So let's see. This is the diagram as per your drawing. Here this is the drawing. First, when will you draw the any drawing in a Creo and other software, first you will see this carefully. First you will analyze your design, what information inside, and okay. So let's see, this dimension is a 50, okay, and then here 115, okay, then 75, 75, 80, height is 25, distance is 130, and then this line is 175, angle 284, okay, and this distance is a 108.9, okay, and this angle 81 degree, okay, and this distance is a 60 and height is 135, and then 100, 150, then 100, then take a angle 135, okay, and this arc radius is 125 because diameter is a 150, so radius is half, okay. So let's see how to draw in Creo parametric, okay. I have already drawn, but see this, okay, this dimension is not fixed, okay, due to some, because Creo is the parametric software, all the dimensions are the predefined, some this values, because this values, okay. So let's see how to take the here exam dimension is here this way, see this 81, so take a 81, okay, this way, and then zoom. How to zoom? Control plus mouse middle button, and then zoom up, zoom out, down, zoom out, okay, zoom in, this way. Arrange the your dimension this way, okay, all the dimension are take, okay, this way. Arrange your dimension first, and then fit this way. First I will show you height, okay, 135. So draw the, okay, start. Go to file, then open, okay. So new file here, minimize, otherwise close it, okay, that's way. So take a new file, your file, and then open this way, but first you will close this file, yes, and then take a new, open, okay, then see this diagram, take a short screen, and then draw your, try to draw, okay. So go to sketch, take any plane, and then sketch, Okay, shift and then mouse middle button, then move this axis as per your comfortable, then draw this your sketch. Okay, try to draw here, then this way. Okay, here H is defined for horizontal and LL defined for this line is dimension is equal to this line. Okay, so draw differently. If you want to draw 75 and this line is also 75, it's okay. Otherwise take a different. Okay, then draw. If your line is this way and taper, so how to vertical, take a vertical, so go through here and select here, this way your line will be vertical. Okay, then again take a line. Okay, if any doubt, just ask. And mouse middle button 2 times click. Okay, exit for command, otherwise select, click here, select. Okay, then take a arc. Here are different types of arc, but you will simply click on the arc, 3-point arc, then first point, then second point, then adjust. Okay, and then see this, all these drawing are visible. You need to edit this all the dimension. Okay, because Creo is the parametric software, all the dimension are self. Okay, only need to define, edit. Okay, this way first you will arrange this dimension. All the dimension take outside the drawing, not inside. Okay, try to all side. And then first here to define this dimension is, yes, this dimension is a 50. Take a 50. Okay, 50 this way. And then how to define this dimension? Okay, go through normal, click this point, first point, then end point, then mouse middle button here, click 2 times. Okay, then define this dimension 115. Okay, control plus and then adjust this dimension. Okay, this way. So edit this dimension is a 50. Okay, 50, and this arrange this dimension and take this dimension is a, I think 75. Okay, take a 75 this way, and then this dimension is also 75. Okay, then this dimension is a, here how to define this dimension, click here, first point, second point, and then click mouse middle button 2 times here. Height is 25, so first define the height 25. Okay, then this dimension here, click here, and then mouse 2 times click. 75, delete second, and then 80. Okay, defined. Okay, and this line is how to define first point, second point, then mouse middle button 2 times click here. Okay, and thus this dimension is a 175. Okay, and then angle is normal, then click this angle, this line, and then select second line, and then mouse middle button 2 times click here. Okay, then put this dimension 84. Okay, this angle is a 84, and take this dimension. How to take this dimension? Click here, then here, and then mouse middle button 2 times click, and then this dimension is a 108. Okay, fine. Okay, first you need to tangent. How to tangent? So tangent is applied. First you click here, tangent. Make a two entities tangent and create a tangent constant. So how to take a tangent? First you will activate this tangent, and then click first line, then select control, then select this line. Okay, this way. Click and then adjust. I think control Z. First you will define, then you will tangent, because so take this dimension is 81. Take angle 81 here and this, and then click here 81. Okay, and this dimension, this distance is 60. Okay, take a here, already here 60, and this height is 135. Okay, 135. Okay, no need to here define, because 60 is also adjust, and then okay, and then this distance is 100. Okay, so I think try to, this distance is 100 because parallel to this line. So delete this line, but this relationship is here. Okay, so delete this line and take a times. Okay, this way. And how to apply coincident? First click the coincident, first point, then this point, then coincident, and then this message is resolve. Okay, so delete this point on entities. Okay, this way, and then try to, this angle is here, see this angle is 150. Okay, and also angle is 135. So need to take a construction line. So first you define the 150, otherwise select here and then click here 2 times. Okay, and then take a 150, fine, and try to tangent. Okay, first line, then second line. It's lot of issues. First define to this line distance. Okay, this line is 100. First point, second point, then click here. first point, second point, then mouse middle button 2 times, click here. Okay, take a 100, it's fine. And this radius is a 125. Okay, and then it's fine. How to execute this command? Click the select, otherwise 2 times click mouse middle button. Okay, and then try to tangent. Okay, otherwise take a construction line, click construction line mode, and then take a line this way, see this, and then one line is also point to point. Okay, this point and this point. Okay, and then define this angle here to here, click normal, 2 times click. This distance is a 150. Okay, take a 150, fine. Try to tangent. Okay, first point and then second point, it's fine. Okay, see this. Okay, adjust your dimension. Okay, this way you will check your dimension and then edit. I think check this dimension. This dimension is a editing 115. Okay, so due to some distance is more, so adjust 75, take a 75. Okay, this distance is a 115, fine. And then I think one line is missing in draw. I'm gonna draw here this, that one line is missing, so don't worry, delete this line and then draw one line here. Okay, out this mode, this line is distance same, and then 130, and then click this time. Okay, then define this dimension. Okay, I think define to this line L2 to take relation any one, so draw carefully. Okay, define this line first, 175, this point, and then click this point. No, click here, first point, second point, then click here, 175. Okay, L2 is 30, delete this line. take a line and this way, click there. Okay, and then define this dimension 130. Okay, this is the close, that's why creating a more pro. Okay, so need to coincident like this first point and this point. Okay, so lots of problem are creating. So try to modify this dimension 130 and this dimension is 175. Take angle first, is 34. This dimension I think 50. $75. I think this line is creating more problem. Okay, so try to delete this line. 75. And adjust this line this way. This is the 115. Okay, and take this 50 this way. Okay, I think all the dimension are, first you check the all the dimension. This dimension you need to modify 108.9. Okay, then 175. 75. Click here to normal this and then adjust. Lot of problems are creating due to this. Hundred. Then take this 50. Hundred. Take this angle 150. It's creating. So try to this, adjust this angle this way. Delete this line. That's why problem is creating. Okay. how this how to apply this coincident. First point, then this point. Okay, then apply the arc. Tangent tip applied. Okay, it's fine. 150, 125. Need to fix this point. Okay, let's take a 50.